What is up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your very first time joining me. My name is Jessica. My mother is a makeup lover, of course. So for today's video, I'm actually going to be reviewing and demoing the Unearthly Cosmetics Sleepover collection. So I do have the full collection, so that comes with the eyeshadow palette, 2 blushes, a highlighter, and a lip gloss. So I did use all of those products today. I will go ahead and we'll be doing this eyeshadow look together, and then I will show you guys me applying the blush and the highlight, as well as me applying the gloss. I feel like this video shouldn't be too long. It should be kind of really short, simple, and to the point. Okay, so really quickly before we jump into the video, I did also want to say I just hit 1,000 subscribers here on YouTube, so thank you guys so much for everybody who likes and subscribes and follows me. It means so much to me. I can't believe that I finally hit 1,000 subscribers. Like, it's so crazy. So yeah, I just wanted to say thank you. I'm so extremely grateful for all of my growth. I've been growing so much on all of my social media, and you know, I've been on social media for like 3-4 years now. Probably like 2017-ish is when I started getting serious about my social media. Wasn't very good, but I was serious about it. So yeah, so I just hit 9,000 subscribers on Instagram, and I have 23,000 on TikTok, and I have 1,000 here on YouTube. Like, those are just such staggering numbers to me, considering I have 2 friends. So like, you guys are all my friends now, so it's just crazy. So yeah, I just wanted to say thank you so much to everybody who follows my journey and who enjoys my videos and watches my videos. It just truly means the world to me, so I just wanted to say a quick thank you. Also, my kids have been on one all fucking day, so there's that. But if you're curious to see my thoughts and opinions on the Unearthly Cosmetics Sleepover collection, and you want to see how I achieved this makeup, then please do keep on watching. Okay, so I honestly have no idea what I'm gonna do. Obviously, you guys have already seen in my intro what we're gonna do today, so we're just kind of hoping and praying for the best at this point. So yeah, first things first, we are going to be taking the Unearthly Cosmetics the Sleepover palette. I have to say, I love the packaging. Even when I showed my husband it, he was just like, that's cute. That's cute. I think I want to keep this more, like, I've never done anything simplistic like how I have in my head, so we're just gonna go for it, I think. I'm gonna start by taking this shade down here, which is called Sleepover. Now this does have some shimmer in it. Let's see, let's swatch it and see what it looks like swatched. Just looks like a dark, like a deep purple kind of color, so yeah, we're gonna go in with that one first. Okay, a little bit kick-uppy, but that's okay as long as it's pigmented. So I'm just gonna kind of pack this shade down. And I'm thinking just to do like a simple cut crease. So I'll just pack this down in my full cut crease shape. Ooh. Got something in my eye. My eyeball. Got something in my eye. Next, I'm going to take this like plum purple, which is called Sweetheart. I'm going to take this in a Morphe E17 brush, and I'm just going to go right over the second shade here, just little circle motions. So as you can see, I didn't take this too far up because I am going to go in with one more color and then I will kind of smoke it out a little bit more. So I'm just going to leave it like that. And then I'm going to take the shade Beloved right here. So I'm going to take this shade and I'm just going to go right in to circle motions to start buffing it out. And it is kind of covering up a little bit of that second shade, but that's okay. That's why I always like to just put my colors down first and then go through and blend them. So what I'll do after I'm done laying this color down, I'll go through and reblend all of the colors until I'm satisfied with the blend. So, I actually really like the way that blend came out. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to cut my crease using my P. Louise cut carver. And I think I'm just going to go ahead and lay down the blank canvas base because I'm not really looking to set anything on my lid. I don't think. I don't know yet, but I'm going to set it down with this. Okay, so I went ahead and I cut my crease and I laid down the P. Louise blank canvas. Now I'm going to take the shade, let's take the shade Satin. This beautiful pinky shade right here. I was thinking about taking the white, but I think, like, let's go for pink. I'm going to use the brush to get in really close to this line, but this layered up really pretty. I feel like you can't see it too well right now, but I do get more up close with my camera at the end of my video if you want to see how the shimmer looks up closer. Make sure you stay tuned for that. So this is the Unearthly Cosmetics Supernova liquid eyeshadow. It's their old logo, so it says Alien Cosmetics, but this is the one I'm going to be using today for my eyeliner. So okay, no, I'm not going to use that. So that's not quite, I feel like because I put the shimmer on my lid, it's kind of washing out that color. I'm going to take the Unearthly gel liner in the shade Jam. I think this purple will match much better. Okay, that looks so much better, I think. This is really pretty. I've been super digging these gel liners. So you don't need to set these gel liners, but I want to make sure that the tones match. So I am going to set it. There it is. And eyelash in my eye this whole time. So I do want to keep this solely focused on the Unearthly Cosmetics Sleepover collection. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and finish up this eye, apply my lashes, and I'm also going to apply all of my face products minus my blush and my highlighter, and we could go in with these bad boys. And we will also be using the lip gloss today as well, so I'll go ahead and apply that with you guys, just so you guys could see how it performs, and I'll give you guys my thoughts and opinions on the Sleepover collection, if I think it's worth it, and if I think you guys need it in your life. Okay, so I just went ahead and did my foundation, concealer, cream contour, setting powder, and then my bronzer. So all that leaves left is the blush and highlighter. I already know for sure I want to take the shade Charmed because it's purple and I'm wearing purple, so I thought it'd go so cute. Okay, so this is shade Charmed. I think I'm also going to take a little bit of the shade Cherub on my nose. Now for the highlighter. So it's definitely, like, you guys know for me, I like a extremely blinding highlight. So I definitely did have to build this up a little bit, but the shade is so beautiful. And I think it looks so beautiful on top of like that luminous blush. Ooh, yeah, I like that. You know, I like that. I like that. So I'm going to start by taking the shade Sleepover. We're just going to take the same shades on top, on bottom. But I'm not going to take that all the way because I want to keep it more purple. Then I'll take the shade Sweetheart. And this one, I will take all the way. Dusting the brush off, taking the shade Beloved. Just to soften the edges. I'm going to take more of that jelly liner in the shade Jam. I put the green one in my waterline when I used it, and it didn't bother me at all, so. Okay, so for my lip liner, I went in with the Nabi lip pencil in the shade Brown Cafe. And then I wanted to go in with this gloss over top. I love the way just the brown looks. It's like my favorite lip liner choice. Okay. Smells good. The wand holds a lot of product. I like the shape. I like the metallicness of the gloss. Was literally one dip. I like that a lot. Okay. It's not sticky. It smells good. Yeah. I really like that. My final thoughts and opinions on the Unearthly Cosmetics, the Sleepover collection. So, it's actually my first time trying their blushes, and I have to say that I do really like them. They're not super kick-uppy, but they are still like pigmented, but they're buildable. I think that they blend it out beautifully. I love the color. Like, it's just like a wash of like a very soft, like kind of purpley color. So I actually really like that purple one. I know that they are coming out with like singles for... yes, baby. I know that they are coming out with singles for highlighters and blushes, so I'm very curious to see those. Now, as far as this collection goes, I have to say I do really love this eyeshadow palette. I feel like there's not too many things you could do because it is just a 9-pan eyeshadow palette, but it's definitely, like, you could definitely have some fun with it, you know, because you got a brown, a pink, you have this kind of, like, purpley pink, and then you have, you know, your, like, maroony purple, and then this bottom shade right here has shimmer in it, but that's actually what I use for that deep purple. And then, you know, it has all the different colors of shimmer, so you can really mix and match a few different looks. And I do really appreciate that. It's actually a really good size palette. I didn't think it was going to be so large. So I do really appreciate that. I really like the shimmer formula. I use the shade Laughter. I put that into my inner corner, and I think it's very, like, reflective. This shade's really pretty. Really the only shades that I did not... Sorry, my son. Really the only shades The only shades that I did not use is these two and these two. Wouldn't these two together be such a vibe, the brown and the pink? I do really love the packaging. The packaging is a 10 out of 10 for me. The formula is really, really nice. I actually have been very much enjoying Unearthly Cosmetics eyeshadow formula. Sorry, talking over my kids, goddammit. If you enjoy the color story of this palette, I think that you would really enjoy it, and I would definitely recommend it. Their blushes, I really like their blushes, so if you are a blush lover like I am, I definitely would recommend those as well. The highlighter, I had to build it up a little bit, but not everybody likes a super blinding highlight. But this, I built it up and it is super blinding, but it could also be just a like nice subtle flush of highlight if that's what you want and that's what you like. So I actually really love the color of this. It kind of has like pinky goldy kind of reflex in it. Yeah, I like that highlighter a lot too as well. It's just like a nice like everyday kind of color, prefer to like their highlighter palette, which has like a ton of like funky colors, pink, purple, green, you know, so it just kind of like gives you a more like natural option. And then their gloss, I do really like the gloss. I wish it was just a little bit more pink, but I think that other than that, like, it smells good. I like the wand on it. It's not sticky. Like, what more could you possibly ask for? Like, look at the reflection. So I do really like the gloss as well. So yeah, I'm actually really happy with the Sleepover collection, and I'm really happy to have it in my collection. And I think that if you're like me, I think you would enjoy this collection. So yeah, that is going to complete today's video, you guys. I really hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you like me and if you like my content. And without further ado, we're gonna go right on ahead, roll the clip.